Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the benefits of breastfeeding.
Sit.
Making the decision to breastfeed is a personal matter. It's a very hard decision to make. And your friends and family will have their opinions to say on it. Will have their opinions to give on it. If you can make it through the first 6 weeks of breastfeeding, then you can make it through a year. Many medical authorities, including the American Academy of Pediatrics, recommend that you breastfeed for at least 6 months. They prefer a year. Breast milk is the best for your baby, and the benefits of breastfeeding extend well beyond the basic nutrition. In addition to containing all the vitamins and nutrients your baby needs, breast milk is packed with disease-fighting substances that protect your baby from all types of illnesses and sicknesses. Also, breastfeeding does wonders to the mother's health and well-being. Breast milk provides the ideal nutrition for your baby, and your breast milk is specifically made for your baby. It has nearly the perfect mix of proteins, vitamins, fat, which is everything your baby needs to grow. And all of it is provided in a form that's more easily digested than infant formula. Your supply starts off as colostrum, which is a thick yellow milk, and it's very rich in nutrients and includes antibodies to protect your baby from infection. After about the 3rd or 5th day, your milk matures and becomes thinner and contains everything that your baby needs to grow. One way breastfeeding protects your newborn from illnesses is the antibodies that are present in it. Antibodies are made from your immune system that help to fight each illnesses. The baby's immune systems are very immature and are less able to fight invaders that can cause them to become sick. Through your breast milk, you give your baby immunities to illnesses which you are immune, and also those to which you have been exposed. Nursing also allows your baby to give you germs so that your immune system can make the antibodies, and then at your next feeding, your entire immune system will be working to provide immunities for you and your baby. Breastfeeding has been shown to be protective against many illnesses, including ear infections, asthma, allergies, intestinal disorders, cancers such as leukemia, meningitis, Crohn's disease, SIDS, insulin-dependent diabetes, and the list goes on. With that being said, of course, breastfed babies do get sick. However, it is usually less severe and lengthy than that of a formula-fed baby. Also, they are less likely to have fevers after immunizations. Breastfeeding not only benefits the baby, but it also benefits the mother in more ways than one. It can help reduce your stress level and your risk of postpartum depression. Nursing triggers release the hormone oxytocin, which promotes nutrition and relaxation. Oxytocin released while nursing also helps your uterus contract after birth, resulting in less postpartum bleeding, your uterus shrinking back to its pre-baby size, and the quicker weight loss. The most significant benefit of breastfeeding for the mother is the reduced risk for breast and ovarian cancer. For every 12 months a woman breastfeeds, her risk of breast cancer drops 4.3%. One of the reasons for the cancer-fighting effects of breastfeeding is that estrogen levels are lower during lactation. It is thought that the less estrogen available to stimulate the lining of the uterus and breast tissue, the less of the tissues become cancerous. In the early days of learning to breastfeed, there may be times when you feel like tossing in the nursing bra and reaching for a bottle. You may be tempted to believe those advisors, your family and friends, who suggest that formula feeding is easier and just as good. Or you may worry that you're not the type of mother who succeeds at breastfeeding. Yet when you consider how breastfeeding benefits your baby, your family, and yourself, You will find the determination you need to overcome any obstacles and master the arts of breastfeeding. What's good for baby is also good for mother. When mother follows nature's lead and breastfeed their babies, their own bodies benefit.